Let's get started. Given to you is T1 and T2 be two distinct common tangents of this ellipse. As soon as you see that there is ellipse in picture, you start drawing whatever they are saying. Okay, ellipse is this. Okay, you know that the major axis is along the x-axis because 6 is greater than 3, so it is how it is going to look like. Okay, you can have the points as well, but let's keep reading. Y square is 12x is a parabola which is given to you. Let's draw that. Okay, y is equal to 12x is a parabola given to you. Okay, so y square is 12x is what? 4 times 3 times x. Okay, so a value is 3 basically. Your focus is 3 comma 0. But anyways, suppose the tangent T1, so the common tangent now they are talking about, touches P and E at A1 and A2. Okay, so let's draw a common tangent first. Okay, so this is my common tangent here. Okay, so this is my point A1 they are telling me, and this is my point A2 they are telling me. There is another common tangent. I know that because of symmetry, the other point should be vertically opposite here and here where should be they should be touching. So let's draw again, maybe nicer. Let's see how. Okay, this, so this is A3 and this is A4. Okay, these are the points. Okay. Now what they are asking, let's see. Which of the following statements are true? The area of the quadrilateral. Okay, you see that we have a quadrilateral right here, A1, A2, A3, A4. They're asking what is the area of that. And the tangent T1 and T2 meets the x-axis. Okay, so we already know because of symmetry they have to meet at x-axis here. Okay, but just that I don't know what's the x coordinate of it. Okay, y coordinate is 0. What's the x coordinate we need to figure out? What do we do? Very simple, right? We just try to figure out what are these points, okay, or what is the equation of this line or the other line, and we are done with. Okay, so shall we use some formula for the parabola? Okay, for the parabola, what is equation of a tangent? Mx plus a by m, you know that. What is the point of contact? Yes, a by m square and 2a by m. You better remember these things. Okay, you can figure out but better know it. Okay, now for my situation, what is my a? My a is 3, right? So let's write 3 everywhere. This will be 6. Okay, so I'm going to write 3 by m. This is 3 by m square. This is 6 by m. We don't know m, right? Let's wait because the for ellipse also we have to write tangent. Okay, so let's write again. Let's use the formula, the slope form, mx plus under root a square m square plus b square. Okay, that's the formula. And what's the point of contact? Yes, minus a square m by c and b square by c. What is c? This whole thing is c. Okay, now in our case, can you give me, because you know a and b everything, isn't it? What is a square? 6 m square plus what is b square? This 3. Here also you can write whatever you know, 6m upon c. Okay, and b square also 3 upon c. Okay, done. Okay, now what we have to do, this is common tangent, right? Tangent 1 and tangent 2 are the same tangents. Okay, because both of them it's the same line. Okay, can I equate them, this and this? Yes, equate it. Okay, you see that only c part we need to equate. Okay, the rest of it is same. So 3 upon m, 3 upon m is same as under root 6m square it up. Okay, so 9 upon m square is equal to, can cancel out. Okay, 2 and this is 3. Okay, for what are you getting? You are getting quadratic in m square. Okay, 2m power 4 plus m square minus 3 is equal to 0. Easy to factorize, not difficult at all. So you just factorize it. What are you getting? Plus 3, right? Yeah, and m square minus 1 is equal to 0. Now what are the solutions here? This is not going to get you any solution, right? Only this. Okay, so you are getting m to be plus 1 and minus 1. So we are arranged for both the tangents. Okay, so let's put in 1. Okay, you can put in 2 also. Okay, it's your wish. Okay, let's put in 1. 1 looks simpler. Okay, so for a parabola I'm getting here. Okay, I'm using that. So m is 1, I'm getting x plus 3. Okay, and what is the point of contact for the parabola? Here I'm going to plug in m is 1, so 3 and 6. If you plug in m is minus 1, what are you getting? Minus x minus 3. And what will be the point of contact then? You know that, right? 3 and minus 6, because you know it has to be like, if this is 3 and 6, this has to be 3 and minus 6. Okay, vertically opposite. So can we do the same thing for the ellipse? Yeah, because the tangent equation remains the same because they have common tangent, just that the point of contact we need to figure out. So point of contact, oh, plug in m is 1. Okay, so minus 6, and what is c? This is c. Okay, for m is 1, this is c. And then 3 and C is 3. Okay, so you're getting minus 2 and 1. That's one point of contact. Okay, the other I don't need to figure out, right? So this is negative 2 and 1. So how much will be this? Negative 2 and negative 1. Okay, vertically opposite equal distance. Okay, now what do we want? Everything is known, right? Now, what is the area? Okay, do you know formula for that area? What is area of a, this is trapezoid, right? What's the area? Okay, if this is L1, this is L2, and the height is H. Okay, so the area is half L1 plus L2 times H. Okay, now do you know everything right here? Yes. What is L1? The length. Okay, A2, A3. What is this? Y coordinate is 1. So 1 plus 1, that's 2. Okay, here y coordinate is 6. So 6 plus 6, that's 12. Okay, what's the height? This distance is the height. Okay, this distance is the height. Okay, the x coordinate here is 3 and the x coordinate here is minus 2. So 3 plus 2, that's 5. Okay, so the 5 is the height. How much we are getting? 14 upon 2, that's 7, times 5, that's 35. Okay, so I got the area to be 35 square units. So A option is the correct one. And where are the two meeting? Okay, just solve the two equations. Okay, so you got the two tangents, isn't it? These two tangents, you already know y is 0 because they are meeting on x axis. So x is minus 3. So minus 3 and 0, you see that they are meeting at minus 3 and 0. That's where the tangents are meeting. Nice question. See you with another one.